You can understand samdarshan as equivision, but you will have to understand it in details. As I see myself, I see others too. That is called samdarshan. Okay? So, what is the real explanation of it? Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita chapter 5 that when a person who has achieved this samdarshan will see a cow, an elephant, a tree, a dog, and a person as himself, he will not see the difference. So, what is it? Samdarshan is inclusivity. Now, I have seen many people running out of fear when they watch a lizard crawling on the wall. And they claim themselves spiritual. Not talking about any particular person here. Somebody sees a cockroach in the kitchen and they run away. And they say they sit in meditation for 2 hours and 5 hours. And they do japan, thousands and crores, I don't know. That is not samdarshan. If you cannot include a lizard in your life or perception for the sake of it, you will always have a separation. As a lizard will be away from you, but you will find that this lizard going to harm me and you run away. But the lizard is not affected by your behavior. She is still there. Unless you show some frantic movements and pick up a mistake and try to scare it away. Is it samdarshan? No. Why this is happening? Because you have split yourself into 2 halves. You have split the field into 2 halves. One is lizard, that is not me, and one yourself, that is me. So you are going against the law of inclusivity. Samdarshan. Okay? You have no equivision here. You will be scared. You will be fearful. And then you will fly from there. Or you will try to kill that lizard. Okay? So whatever is happening in this world today, which you can see that people are harming each other, they are hitting each other, they are killing each other, they are not living in harmony with each other. Okay? And there is a reaction from nature in the form of COVID. All this is happening because we don't have equivision. We separate ourselves from others and all hell breaks loose. This is what is happening today. So the basic moral value that equivision gives is abhayam. You will be fearless. You will be brave. You will be full of dynamic energy. Because nobody is going to harm you, because you are not going to harm anybody, because you are everybody and everybody is you. That is your basic feel. Okay? So the structural differences may be there, but equivision, where you perceive that level, there will be feel of oneness. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam eva cha sthitam. You are established in this fact that despite all the different structures, I am the continuity behind these structures. When you are established in that, samdarshan is attained. You start manifesting samdarshan. From this samdarshan, all the moral values sprout. And then you become spiritual, you become whatever you say. But you have to have that samdarshan only when you are spiritual. Spiritual in the right sense of the term. It doesn't mean that you are doing pujas for hours together and you are spiritual. No. That sensitivity, that human sensitivity is there. Like Lord Ram, there is one story about him, that Shurpankhah came to him and proposed to marry him. He refused. But at the same time, there's this feeling that what she's feeling about me. So next time when she approaches him, he says straight away, I'm married and I don't want to marry further. So you please go away. So this only comes when you have equivision. You could feel what she was hiding in her deepest corner of in her mind. So this is called equivision, the feel.